Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Bitcoin was about to test the support of a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and this was my last video by the way. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that after testing the support of the symmetrical triangle, the price line is geared up, and now it is trying to break out this resistance of $64,780. In fact, this is a complete support zone that starts from $64,780 that has been breaking as support zone here, and this time it is also breaking as support zone. We have tested the lower bands of the support zone that goes to $60,365 and geared up, and now trying to break out this upper bands of the support zone. And you can see that we have some few extra spikes here at this support of $60,365. Therefore, now this move can be more appropriate to be a descending triangle rather than a symmetrical triangle. And you can see that we have a downtrend line resistance, and we had few touch points here, like we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here, and two more touch points recently we had here at this support. And now if the price line will be reached here at the resistance of this triangle, then it can move approximately at $70,000. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very huge breakout that has happened on the 7-day time frame chart from a very big falling wedge pattern. In fact, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern when it was dropped down here at this support of $15,479. In those days, I've been telling you that now there is a very high probability that soon the price line may break out this wedge. And once it will be able to break out this wedge, that will be a very big signal that now Bitcoin is bottomed out, and this long-term downtrend will be finished. And you can see that the price line has rallied very well. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see so far it has rallied more than 372%. And recently we have found this resistance here at $72,756. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you some on-chain analysis as well. You can see that the supply of Bitcoins, the Bitcoin inflow, that is the Bitcoin transfer from different wallets to exchanges, is getting decreased now, and we will also watch this chain analysis as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for Sun, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 4th of March 2024. And you can also want the complete trade setup as well, like this was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button like I'm going to do here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. And this was a very massive pump, by the way. Now let me take you to the live chart of Bitcoin. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that Bitcoin is moving now inside this descending triangle. Previously we were following this support here in this way, but due to these few more long spikes to the downside at this support of $60,365, now this move is more likely to be a descending triangle. You can see we have few touch points here, few touch points here, few rejections points here as well, and sale will bounce from the support as well. And now the movement is the price line is again bounced from the support and moving toward the resistance. This time the resistance will be somewhere here, approximately at $70,000. And in case of breaking out this descending triangle, the target to the upside will be here. That will be approximately at $85,000. And in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $49,400. By the way, this will be a very significant support zone that starts from $53,000 and goes to $48,325. And you can see that previously this level was breaking as a resistance, $48,325. And after that, we found a resistance here at $53,000. Therefore, this can be also another support that was previously breaking as a resistance. And after breaking it down, it can drop down at this previous resistance another resistance of $48,325 that will be working as a support this time. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator, then you can see that the stochastic oscillator is oversold on a daily time frame, and we have received a bull cross, and you can see that the price line is also following the signal. Previously, when it was oversold on, entered the oversold zone here, we had a bounce from the support of the triangle. Then you can see we had a move up to $71,391. Before that, it was entered the oversold zone here in the month of January 2024. Then we had another very nice rally, and the price line was rejected by the resistance. Therefore, after this bull cross, there will be a probability that the price line may again be the resistance of this triangle to make at least a powerful attempt to break out the resistance of the channel. And in case of breaking out this resistance, it can reach $85,000. That will be the target for the breakout from this descending triangle. At the same time, you can see that the Bitcoin supply to the exchanges, this is, by the way, the Bitcoin inflow I'm showing you from cryptoquant.com. And this Bitcoin inflow shows the movement of Bitcoin from different wallets to the exchanges. And you can see that in the last 30 days, we had the highest value in the single day, that was 63,000 Bitcoins. And in order to break down this support, we will need such supply on the exchanges. And you can see that the supply is getting decreases, and therefore after decreasing the supply, there will be a quite low probability that the price line may break down the support of this triangle. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.